Hey, it's your boy, Cash Swampy T McCartney. And today we're going to be talking about how to do a proper apology. I mean, apology for something serious. Not like you left a crap sack on someone's porch or took a few nugs out of your friend's mom's bag. No, I'm talking about like an apology where like you broke someone's trust. You destroyed, you showed that you weren't loyal, you stabbed someone in the back, you hurt them. And first thing I'll say is time, whether it's days, weeks, months, and that's one thing that's going to be on your side. No one likes, especially a bro, 30 seconds later, like, I'm sorry I got fellatio from this female semi-professional wrestler that used to be your best friend. No, you gotta wait, like, time. Time may not heal all wounds, but for a serious, like, amends, apology, it's very important. One of the reasons, I'm talking about time too, is a lot of times we'll be, scared of what the person's reaction will be when we try to reach out. Like, we just a lot of times let sleeping dogs lie. We just put it off because that person's anger, they might still have a lot of anger because we know how we mess up, right? And when we're talking about apologies and admitting, how, we may have been wrong. We may have been in the wrong. It brings up a lot of shame and a lot of our pride, like if we're actually like admitting we did something wrong and feeling shame, especially as a bro, like, it doesn't really fit our model. A lot of us bros were taught that, apologizing is a sign of weakness, that, you're basically a P word if you go around apologizing or, admitting, that, admitting what you did was wrong to a person that, that thought was loyal, thought you were 100. And I don't know if this works for you guys or if you guys feel like this, but a lot of times, if I did someone wrong, they, not all the time, but sometimes they kind of, they did me bad too. They did me dirty. Some dirt was being stirred, and not only did I do wrong, but they also owe me an apology, and that will sometimes prevent, progression going forward in our human relations. And that also, goes with the whole time thing. What, that person doesn't even care anymore. F you, it's done, but it's still maybe weighing on your conscience. You just want to, reach out and say, look, I fucked up. Sorry. Also, please make sure that your apology is sincere. A sincere apology always does get someone in the feels, no matter what, especially if this person was really close with you. Time, do it for yourself also, not, because you did wrong, and you're trying to clear the air, and want to, get those skeletons out of your closet. Do it for yourself. And, no reason to keep waiting. I know we want time, let time pass. We also want to, do the dang thing. Go ahead, write down your apology. Think it over. Make sure you read it through and through. And be open. Let the person know, this messed me up. This destroyed me as well, and I'm coming forward to recognize what I did. Yeah, so one thing you want to make sure is that make sure you keep that purpose. Make sure that you that you have realized you're ready to do the right things in life, no matter if that person accepts your apology or not. That's why the main purpose I made this video was for myself to apologize to you. You know, shout out to my family. It's been a crazy year. Shout out to the real ones, the day ones, the day threes, the day fours. Shout out to, you know, my 5 subscribers, and to anyone who is a future or current swamp dweller. Us swamp creatures, we got to stick together. So this is my apology to you. And I promise I'm going to start making more videos. And, you know, I'm going to step my game up, and I've been selfish, I've been beat, and, you know, I'm going to be announcing my retirement, you know, so I can focus more on, you know, make more money, and, you know, focus more on cashing out. Until next time, be safe, you know, be easier on each other. We're only humans, and we're all in this together, and try to find love in people you might not normally love. Try.